What's up guys, Alessandro here. I want to give you an update on Memeclip because I bought this coin some days ago. This one is still in the pre-market phase, and this is a project, a play-to-earn project that already has a game out. And I also want to inform you that if you're interested in NFTs, they also have an NFT platform as well. So welcome everyone, and make sure to be subscribed on this channel because I keep you updated. Whatever I'm buying, whatever I'm selling, I'm sharing since 2017 all my experiences and my own things that I'm doing here in the crypto space with you guys. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just here to entertain you, and whatever I'm trading, even though it is high risk or low risk or whatever, I'm always sharing that with you guys. We did some good things, also some bad things, so that's why always I'm sharing everything with you guys. Not all of those projects of course can go to the moon, but I like to be invested into as many as possible whenever we are in such an altcoin season or bull run. And Memeclip, in my opinion, has a very good upside potential because Memeclip is currently one of the most hyped new upcoming crypto projects, and this one here has already some games out. So if you go into their website, the link is right at the top in the video description, you will be forwarded here to the website where you can also buy and stake the coin directly. I did a tutorial video also how to stake those coins because as you can see the API is insane high. Since this one here is just getting started, we are in the early stages here. The coin is a fraction of a cent worth currently here on the pre-market phase, and also they are just getting started basically. So I bought some coins here, I put it into staking as well. If you want to do that, link in the video description. And also if you're interested in NFTs, because they are bringing out more and more games. This one is already out, Subway Meme Rush, you can play and earn the coins there as well, but more games are incoming, and all of them are somehow related to a very popular meme coin like Pepe or Popcat or Dogecoin and so on. Especially this Doge card will be hyped in my opinion. We will see, but I'm very bullish for this new game that is upcoming here. I want to play that same like Mario Kart. So if Mario Kart now on the Switch 2 is getting hyped, then maybe Doge card will be similar. Would be great, of course. And also if you scroll down, you can see the roadmap, everything about the project, of course, and also open up every day here the fortune quickie generator, as you can see here. Every day you can go and check one out, but they also have these NFT platforms here over on OpenSea. So if you're interested in NFTs to buy them before maybe this project or these games are getting hyped, so before they're launching, you can of course already now check out some NFTs and even buy some, because currently in my opinion they're quite cheap in comparison to others, because we have seen in previous bull runs of course those meme coins, those NFTs about memes or meme coins going to the moon of course. And right now you can already start to explore some of those NFTs and of course also buy some if you want. They are here on OpenSea, and the floor price is quite low at the moment. And if this one is getting hyped or somehow those NFTs are getting hyped, or the games or the coin itself, then of course these NFTs can be worth much more. Of course this is no financial advice guys. With NFTs and in general with meme coins, we never know what happens in the past during a bull run in which we are in right now. In my opinion, they always have been a good investment of course, but it's not always the case. So we never really know how high an NFT can go or a meme coin can go. But of course if we position ourselves in a good moment into such projects, like before the big hype, before the big gains, before the big run, then of course we have at least the biggest upside potential, and not buying in at the top basically and be kind of the exit liquidity both for the meme coins and also for the NFTs. And that's why I think that if you're interested in NFTs about new projects, this Memeclip could be something for you. The link is in the video description, and of course also if you directly want to invest into those coins, you can do that with the link in the video description. That will bring you here to Memeclip, and here on the dashboard you can buy directly here into the coin with different chains of course, and you just connect the wallet and you buy and stake those coins. Currently of course staking is very good because the API is extremely high, since this is very early stage, and most of the coins are reserved for gaming rewards and staking rewards. That means that as early as you're buying, as soon as possible, of course you can stake it directly here and accumulate more and more coins, so at launch you're gonna have much more. We will see what this coin will do guys. I have no idea about the launch price and so on, but normally the price here keeps increasing stage by stage. Every time that the countdown is going down to 0, it enters into the next stage, the price goes higher and higher, and then at the end we're gonna have the listing price, and then it is dropping on DEXs or exchanges, and then we can trade it there if necessarily, because yeah, of course those play-to-earn games are good to play and then cash out with the coins that you have. This is, in my opinion, the future of gaming, and that's why I'm also bullish for this project here as well. But until this one is coming out, I think it makes sense to buy and stake it directly here on the website because of the high API. So check it out, guys. Links in the video description. Also watch the videos that I did about Memeclip and also how to stake those coins. They're all linked here in the video description. So that's it for now, guys. Stay tuned, be subscribed. Let's see what Memeclip will do, especially if you're interested in NFTs. Check it out, guys. Otherwise, of course, the coin is also very interesting here. So thank you for watching, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.